Hello, children. Today, we are going on a special math adventure called The House of Hundreds. We are going to meet our friends Teji and Jojo at a fair. They're going to help us explore big numbers and teach us some tricks for counting faster and easier. Look! Ajji, Teji, and Jojo are at a fair and they see many triangular torrents hanging. Can you guess how many triangles there are in this triangular torrent? Counting so many triangles one by one would be long and tiring. But we can make it easier by counting in groups. If we group items into tens, we can count 10, 20, 30, and finish much faster. So, in this torrent, we have 50 triangles. Now, try counting all the triangles across these torrents. We already have 200 triangles counted. So, by adding 50 more, we reach a total of 250 triangles. Isn't it amazing how we can reach big numbers by adding smaller groups? Counting by tens helps us reach bigger numbers quickly. We use tens, then hundreds. Now, let's try counting a different group of items. Look at these bangles. Teji is trying to count them all. But instead of counting one by one, she's counting in groups of 10, making it faster. She starts with 10, then 20, 30, and keeps going up to 100, then 200. After 200, she keeps counting 210, 220, 230, up to 270, and finally 280. So the total number of bangles is 200 plus 80, which makes 280 bangles. Isn't it amazing how counting by tens helps us reach bigger numbers faster? Students, we've learned all about counting in groups. Now, let's move on to filling in number sequences. Let's help Jojo as he jumps along a number path at the fair. Some numbers on his path are missing, so we need to fill them in to keep him moving forward. The numbers we can see are 211, 212, and 216. To fill in the blanks, we can use a pattern. Each number goes up by 1. Let's fill them in together. After 211 comes 212, then 213, 214, 215, and then 216. And if we keep going, we'll get 217, 218, 219, and finally 220. So, Jojo's complete path is 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, and 220. Nice work filling in the tiles. Now that we've practiced filling in sequences, let's look at another way to understand big numbers by using something simple, matchsticks. Teji and Jojo are using matchsticks to create numbers. Let's look at the number 235. They use 2 bundles of 100 sticks, 3 bundles of 10 sticks, and 5 single sticks. This way of breaking down numbers is called place value, where each bundle represents either hundreds, tens, or ones. Now, let's see how 235 can be placed on a number line. Since 235 is more than 200 but less than 250, it falls between those two numbers on the line. Now, let's look at these pictures of numbers created using matchsticks. The corresponding value of first arrangement is 300 as they used 3 bundles of 100 sticks. The value of next arrangement is 228 as they used 2 bundles of 100 sticks, 2 bundles of 10 sticks, and 8 single sticks. Here is the placement of the numbers 300 and 228 on number line. Now that we know how to look at big numbers by breaking them down into hundreds, tens, and ones, let's see what happens when we add or subtract numbers. Let's start with a simple one. If we add 1 to 285, what do we get? That's right, 286. Now, let's try something a bit bigger. If we add 10 to 147, it becomes 157. Now for a little challenge. If we have 367 and take away 2, what do we get? Yes, it's 365. So, we have successfully covered all these concepts in this video. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 3.